Kami takot. Ayaw namin ng gera. Mr. President, I am challenging you to go to Alonan with the other ships and repair it.
A few moments later.
Hindi mo kailangan ang presidente ang pupunta doon.
Oh my God! Wow!
Walang written sa amin pa na. During my relations with China during my term, walang written except yung mga trade. Any question?
Okay, questions? Edith? Okay. Dermelina Laporte from Inquirer.
Mayor, I just want to know, sa inyong recollection po, was there a written agreement and was it binding? If you are looking into the documents, that means that there was a written agreement.
Ayunin?
Yes, sir. And also, sir,
Maraming agreement, Iha. When you're dealing with the foreign relations, maraming agreement yan. Not only with China, but with all of the mostly Asian countries. Hindi basta-basta na lang sabihin mo na once upon a time.
about what Harry Roque, former spokesperson Harry Roque mentioned, that the agreement banned the gentleman agreement, parang what he mentioned was
Hirap ka.
Walang pwedeng construction materials that can be brought to the BRP Sierra Madre and only food and water. Yun daw ang content ng agreement.
As is where is nga.
Yeah, so,
You cannot bring in materials to repair and improve.
okay. So,
Wala yan.
So, totoo, Mayor,
Totoo yan.
na mayroong agreement.
No agreement. As is where is.
So, bawal ang construction materials.
Well, ganun. As is where is nga. Kasi kung Sierra Madre pa lang, if allowed, batagal na repair yan, nakauwi na yan dito.
And is it binding sa present administration?
Well, if it's brave enough, kaya gusto ko sabi ko, nandyan mo kaya yung Amerika, why don't the Philippine Navy get itong panghila at repair it? Or, wag na yan. Nandiyan pa kayang Amerika, occupy the islands and drive the Chinese away.
Mayor, in the context of Secretary of State was given the as is where is, so the ship there will be allowed to rot in time because no repair is allowed, and which the President, which Marcos says, that is very alarming because if you cannot repair it, it will rot there, it will be destroyed, and we have nothing there.
Kaya ito sabi ko kay Marcos, stop complaining and expounding on it. Do it and repair. Yan ang sasabi ko sa kanila. I challenge them na sila man ang nasa gobyerno ngayon, di i-repair nila at gumawa sila doon ng mga bahay-bahay kung saan. If they are really ready for that. Gawain na nila ngayon gusto nilang gawin. Ipatrol na nila yung Philippine Navy, the gray ships, and let us see what happens. Tapos na kami. Kung sabihin ni Marcos, all of you past presidents were failures. You didn't do anything about Sierra Madre. Mr. President, I am challenging you to go to Alonan with the other ships and repair it. Yan ang dapat following your subukan nila. Kami takot. Ayaw namin ng gera. Kung sa kanya, hindi ba kagera pagkos nandyan yung Navy, di gawain mo. You have the ironclad guarantee of the Navy that they will, US Navy, that they will all die for the Philippines.
Are we saying that the recent maritime cooperative cooperation exercises just a show of force, and even if Japan, Australia, Philippines, and the United States will collaborate to repair this Sierra Madre, still it's an exercise in futility?
Would you take that risk? Go ahead. Bring in Japan and the rest of the ASEAN countries and let us see what happens.
Are you saying there will be a bloodshed?
The what?
There will be a bloodshed. War.
Wala akong sinabi. Sinabi ko lang subukan nila and see what happens.
The way you listened to President Xi during your meeting, he said you can do this because there will be this possible war.
One word lang. Nandyan kami lahat.
What was it?
Do not do it because there will be trouble. It was heard by all. O ba gawa ito?
So it was a stern warning from China.
Well, that was the reply. Which warning? Well, ikaw na bala. You interpret.
If you were to advise the Philippine government in this era of Philippine government's position on the West Philippine Sea, and if you are asked to a one-cent opinion, what will you tell the Philippine government, or what will you tell the Filipino people given these conditions, sir?
My advice would be totally irrelevant. Sila ang magtanong doon sa Amerikano. Sila kasi ang gumagawa. Hindi naman ako, bakit ako mag-advise?
Mayor, pwede mo balik lang po. I just want to make it clear. So you said that where is, as is, where is, there was an agreement, and was it written or verbal only? And
Verbal. Walang written sa amin pa na. During my relations with China during my term, walang written except yung mga trade which were signed by the undersecretaries of the particular department concerned. Nasa tabi lang ako, kaming mga... No, it is binding. It's not, just because it was not signed, other trade agreements signed are binding sa atin. Hindi mo kailangan ang presidente ang pupunta doon.
Okay. Thank you, General Lina. Sir,
You cannot put to task the president to sign all agreements with all other countries because that would take. Kaya may dala kang mga diplomatic trade undersecretary, trade secretary.
okay. Sir Al,
I am just asking you to exactly, meron ka mang recorder, quote me exactly para walang misconceptions, misunderstanding.
Thank you, Mayor.
Okay, may gabi ngayon ang hinuli sa Pilipinas. Gihimo ang isyu ni Bongbong Marcos just because of
Na,
Ali Rookie.
ipalayo mo yung mukha nga mo kasi maliit ang kwarto.